if you want to know how to make your own playlist on Spotify in the right way, you've come to the right place. So the steps are quite simple. I'll show you all the things you need to know about managing your own playlist, how to change picture, how to add songs, how to manage queue, and so on. Basically, the steps are quite simple, and all we need to do, we need to open our Spotify app and then go to our library in the right bottom corner. So here we can find all of our playlists, and in order to add one more, we just simply need to click on plus in the right top corner near our search icon. And here we need to choose create playlist, build a playlist with songs or episodes. So from this page here, we can easily manage our playlist name. I'm going to name it like my playlist 3, why not? I'm going to click on create. So after that, we can easily add something to our playlist. We can click on add to this playlist, and we can easily search for the necessary songs we'd like to add. For example, I'm going to add this one, this one, this one, this one. As you can see, there are a lot of suggested songs we can add to our playlist, and you can do the same, or you can search for them through search in the top of the screen. When everything is ready, we can now manage all this stuff. As you can see, we have a couple of songs. And what if we'd like to add some description, or maybe we want to change our playlist avatar, our picture? So we need to click on more. So click on more on these three dots near like save icon, and also add a friend. Click on these three dots and we'll come to this page where we can click on edit, the third line here. And basically we can manage our name, we can add a description if it's necessary. We can also change image by simply clicking, going to choose from library, and I'd like to share it, for example, to this stuff here, why not? So after that, we can also from this page here manage all this stuff. We can change the order, we can click and hold our finger on the necessary song, and then just simply move it to the necessary position. Also, we can delete songs from this page here. Just simply click on minus icon in the left side of the song. And as you can see, it was automatically deleted from our playlist. If you want to save all the changes, just simply click on save in the right top on this small text here. And all the changes will be automatically saved. It may take a little time. And as you can see, everything is working correctly right up now. What's really important you need to know about creating playlist is that we can make it private. So click on more, and from this page here we have a couple of options like make private, remove from profile, delete. We need to click on make private if you want to hide these playlists from other people. Only you and people you invite can view this playlist. If you want, you can do this, but I'm going to click on not now. There are also a lot of options we can do. As you can see, if you want to play with this playlist like eat as a snake or something like this, we can click on the last line, and basically after that we'll be able to play with eat as a snake. Sometimes it could be really interesting if you want to like spend your time somewhere. So yeah, it's definitely pretty interesting. You can also like remove it from your profile, add it to queue, exclude from your taste profile, download, and do some other stuff. So as you can see, we can also add like recommended songs in the bottom of the screen. And yeah, this is a way of how to make your own playlist on Spotify. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye guys.